Welcome to the documentary channel. We will talk today about Kerguelen, the desolate islands at the end of the world. In the heart of the fiercest ocean on Earth, lies a land of myth and isolation. A place so remote that it is known simply as the Desolation Islands. It is a forgotten fragment of France, closer to Antarctica than to Paris. There are no hotels, no restaurants, no permanent population. This is not a destination for tourists. This is a destination for explorers, scientists, and the curious. This is the Kerguelen Archipelago. Welcome to what many call the most isolated place on the planet. Today, we are journeying to Kerguelen to uncover its violent geological birth, its tragic history of exploitation, and its critical role as a sanctuary for some of the world's hardiest creatures. Let us now talk about the birth of a giant, the geology of the Kerguelen Plateau. First, how does such a massive landmass form in the middle of an ocean? The story begins not with land, but with fire. Kerguelen is the tip of a submerged continental fragment, one of the largest volcanic plateaus on Earth. Around 130 million years ago, as the supercontinent Gondwana broke apart, a mantle plume, a colossal upwelling of molten rock, pierced the crust. For millions of years, it erupted, eventually building a landmass nearly the size of India. Today, what remains are the highest peaks of that sunken microcontinent. The islands are a geologist's dream, made almost entirely of black basalt, shaped by ancient glaciers and relentless wind into a raw, primordial landscape. A history of exploitation, sealers, whalers, and failed settlements. For centuries, this place was just a legend on maps. Then, in 1772, French explorer Yves-Joseph de Kerguelen de Tremerac stumbled upon it. He famously declared it is the center of a new France, a land rich with promise. He was wrong. The promise was short-lived. The only riches were its animals. The islands became a bloody ground for sealers and whalers who nearly drove the elephant seals and fur seals to extinction for their oil and pelts. Attempts at settlement failed miserably. Introduced animals like rabbits, sheep, and reindeer ravaged the fragile ecosystem. The graves of early whalers and a few stone huts are the only testament to these grim chapters, lonely relics in the vast landscape. Port-aux-Français, France's Antarctic science hub. So, who lives there now? The only permanent presence is at Port-aux-Français, a scientific base and the capital of this barren kingdom. A rotating crew of 50 to 100 researchers, engineers, and support staff brave the isolation for missions lasting over a year. They study everything, including geophysics. The location is perfect for tracking rockets and studying the Earth's magnetic field. Biology, monitoring the recovery of seal populations and studying unique indigenous species like the Kerguelen cabbage. Climatology, recording some of the cleanest atmospheric data on Earth, far from human pollution. They are completely dependent on the annual supply ship from Réunion Island. Their connection to the outside world is a fragile thread. The kingdom of wildlife, a sanctuary reborn. With the departure of the whalers, Kerguelen has slowly become an accidental sanctuary, a critical haven for subantarctic wildlife. This is one of the world's most important breeding grounds. The beaches are crammed with southern elephant seals. The skies are filled with countless seabirds, including 4 species of albatross. The surrounding waters are a feeding ground for orcas. The tragedy is that this ecosystem remains fragile. Invasive species like cats and rabbits, introduced long ago, still prey on native birds and plants. Conservation here is a constant, difficult battle against the mistakes of the past. The lone sentinel. Kerguelen does not exist for us. It does not care for human ambition. It is a monument to the raw, unforgiving power of nature. It serves as a vital laboratory for understanding our planet and a stark reminder of the damage we can do, and the resilience nature can show if we step back. It stands as a lone sentinel in the Southern Ocean, a place of profound beauty and desolation, teaching us lessons about isolation, survival, and the importance of preserving the wildest corners of our world. What is the most remote place you have ever been? Share your stories in the comments below. If you were fascinated by this journey to the end of the world, please give this video a like and subscribe for more explorations of our planet's hidden places. For further reading, see The Lost Islands by Henry Stommel. Thank you.